Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you unblur, or basically how do you see who likes you on Tinder. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, I need you guys to install an extension on Chrome, so which is Violent Monkey. So you can search for Violent Monkey Chrome. I'm sorry, my desk is a little messy and I cannot type. So you need to go into this side, and I already added it, so it's already here for me. So you can just confirm the installation, and once it's installed, you can go ahead and you can press on the extensions tab, press Violent Monkey, and then we're gonna press settings. And now we have this page, and then we're gonna press on new, and then we're gonna press install from URL. So then you need to add this URL in there. So it's bit.ly/script Tinder 2022, and then you can press OK. And once you've done that, you can press on confirm installation, and it says the script has been installed. So you can go to Tinder and you can see who likes you. So right now there are no matches actually, because I honestly do not use this app. So my matches should be appearing once I refresh my Tinder, but since I do not really use Tinder, so that is why I'm not seeing any any likes or any matches. So I hope this method works for you. So I hope this method is still valid to this date, and if it works, good for you. And do let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.